This video introduces how to perform a site survey for wireless bridges on Reyee app and Ruijie Cloud. Both Reyee app and Ruijie Cloud provide the AI Heatmap feature, which allows for marking the installation location of wireless bridges on Google Maps for BARM generation, and exporting the site survey report with just a click. In practice, it is more convenient to use Reyee app for site survey and bridge placement on Google Maps. A BARM created on Reyee app is automatically synchronized to Ruijie Cloud, so that you can use Ruijie Cloud for detailed BARM design. The AI Heatmap feature can significantly reduce human workload and enhance the efficiency and accuracy of site survey. Launch Reyee app, tap Product. BARM. Tap AI Heatmap. On the page that is displayed, select a tag. Enter the BARM name and note. And tap OK. A BARM is created. Alternatively, you can tap an existing BARM, access its details page, and tap plus placement map. Tap the switch icon in the upper left corner and select wireless bridge. If location permission is not granted, tap allow to let Reyee app access your location. On the map, tap the sites where you want to deploy the bridges. In the Create Site pop-up window, enter the site name and note, and then tap Save. Repeat the preceding steps until all the sites are marked. Green circles on the map indicate marked sites. You can tap sites to view marked sites. Tap a specific site to view its details. You can modify its name and note. If the site is not required, tap Delete to remove it. To move a site on the map, simply select the site and move it to the target location. Then, tap Save. Tap the location icon in the lower left corner to return to your current location. Reyee app does not support creation of bridge groups. After the sites are marked, the data will be automatically synchronized to Ruijie Cloud. You can design the bridge solution on Ruijie Cloud. Visit the official website of Ruijie Cloud. On the displayed web page, enter your username and password, and click Login. On the home page, click AI Heatmap. Select the project for which site survey has been completed on Reyee app. Click Bridge Heatmap. The green circles on the map indicate the sites marked on Reyee app. Tap the Add Bridge icon. Left-click a site for the base station bridge. When a site is marked with a purple icon, the base station has been marked successfully. Left-click sites for the CPE bridges in sequence, and then right-click to finish adding the bridges. Ruijie Cloud automatically recommends suitable devices based on the distance between the base station and the CPEs and simulates signal coverage. A blue line indicates a good bridging connection, while a red line indicates a poor bridging connection. Click a base station or CPE site to view the device details. The pane on the right displays the installation locations of the bridges, signal strength, transmission rate, and other related information. The vertical axis of the blue chart represents the altitude, showing a clear view of the terrain along the bridging distance. This helps determine if there are any mountains or obstacles causing poor bridging connection. The sector of the bridge group represents the signal coverage area, with the green area having the strongest signal, and gradually weakening towards the edges. You can improve the bridging connection by changing the pole height or the installation location of the wireless bridge. You can click Manual to manually modify relevant parameters, or adjust the sector angle, as well as the antenna's horizontal and tilt angles. You can also click the drop-down list and select a different device. By clicking the left arrow, you can view the recommended device models. To export the site survey report, simply click Export. Select the desired download format under Export Format, and click Save locally to download the site survey report to your local device. You can open the site survey report to view details. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Reyee official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.